Hi, today I'm going to give you the best waste management tips that will turn you into a recycling guru and show you how to keep your bins clean without washing them. To extend landfill lifespans, reduce methane emissions, and improve recycling rates, residents have been provided with green bins and small countertop food waste catchers to assist them in diverting their food scraps. I'm sure you already know that your food waste must go into your green bin and that you should use certified compostable bags unless directed otherwise. However, we all know this practice has its drawbacks. It's not all sunshine and roses, and when those bags rip open and leak, rotting waste and nasty garbage juice get out and create a gross mess that stinks, which often makes you think twice about the whole thing. But by using BagEZ, you give your bin an extra level of protection. It lets you use commonly available compostable bags, or even plastic bags if allowed by your city, ranging from 10 gallons onwards, that can easily hold your family's weekly food waste, to create a pocket into which all your organics from your kitchen catcher will go. This method prevents any waste from touching, sticking to, or sticking up your container, even if it gets out. Now, it's hard to follow rules. I get it, and it's normal to see some organics being thrown into your kitchen trash can that's full of regular household trash. And when this happens, you must dispose of it in your garbage can rather than your green bin. But when bags containing food scraps get thrown in with bulky trash, they get crushed, punctured, and get split open, releasing all the yucky stuff which coats other garbage in your bin with waste matter that makes it stink. But if you once again use BagEZ in your trash can, you can separate and confine these bags, along with other nasty stuff that can make them stink like dirty diapers and pet poop, from other trash and stop it from getting out, while using the large opening to throw household trash in, like bagged waste, just like you normally do, while using your bins to their maximum capacity. To free your bags, simply pull off the clips. Seal them tightly to keep everything nasty in and add a new bag if needed. Remember, BagEZ is reusable, so don't forget to take it out of your bin before putting it out for collection. Now that your food waste and other messy stuff have been taken care of, all that's left for you to do is use your recycling bin for recyclable and non-contaminated stuff like plastic bottles and clean boxes. A good habit is to check your waste hauler's website to know what goes into it and what does not. I hope our fix will help you take recycling to a new level, and for more tips on how to reduce flies, prevent maggots infesting your bin, and keep pests like raccoons and bears away. While you sort waste like a pro, visit us at bagez.com or call us. We're happy to help.